What most people don't realize when they start to get into digital products and digital marketing is that there is a strategy. Hi everybody, I hope everybody is doing well today. If you're struggling to sell your digital products, I need you to stop for a second. Let's have a real talk. Be honest. Are you actually promoting your digital products? Are you posting about it several times a day? Or are your posts kind of all over the place? If you're feeling called out, don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're going to fix that with clear intentions. What most people don't realize when they start to get into digital products and digital marketing is that there is a strategy. We're going to fix all of that by setting clear intentions, focusing on your audience, on who it is that you are targeting, and most importantly, not giving up. Let's go. So first things first, are you talking about your products enough? Or do you get discouraged when nobody really answers or nobody really responds to something that you might have put up? Let's face it, social media is a hit or a miss. Most of the times it's a miss, but the thing that keeps you going and the thing that separates you from other people is that they are consistent. It doesn't matter if you don't feel that anybody is watching. Believe me, there are people that are watching, and you have to remember that your tribe is going to find you. You don't just want empty followers just for the sake of followers. You want to turn these followers and subscribers into customers. And how do you do that? Well, if somebody finds you and subscribes to you, even if they don't know you, that means that they're subscribing to you because they like what you're saying. So therefore, that is going to be somebody that is part of your tribe. So think about it like this. Big brands don't just post about one of their items just once a day, right? You see that commercial over and over and over and over again until you are compelled to buy a product yourself. Same thing here. You need to treat your digital product the same way. So if you're not promoting it daily, once, twice, 3 times a day, you have to fix that. If you're not promoting it like that, that's your first problem and you have to fix it. But the good news is that it's an easy problem to fix. Now let's talk about content strategy. Are your posts intentional or are they all over the place about random things? You need to focus on who you're talking to and how you can solve a problem that they might have. So for instance, if your digital product is about fitness, are you posting about fitness? Are you posting about the outcome of leading a fit lifestyle? Or are you posting other things, other memes or other jokes that really don't have anything to do with fitness? There are a lot of memes that have to do with fitness. All you have to do is align your theme. If your content is random, if one day you're posting a cat meme and the next day you're talking about your product and then a week later you're just ranting about life, your audience is confused. Confused people don't buy anything. They click off. Every one of your posts should serve a purpose. Whether it's educating, inspiring, or leading them directly to your product, it should always tie back to what it is that you're selling. Don't worry about the people that think that you're obnoxious and that you're posting too much. Those are not your people. That is not your tribe. So this is where a lot of people get stuck. Are you talking to everybody and hoping that somebody bites? Because that's not going to work. You need to know exactly who you're selling to and create content for them. So if I am targeting people who like to go on cruises, then I'm going to post content related to people who want to go on cruises. Things that they need to buy, things that they need to see, cruises that they need to go on, checklists, shopping lists. You see where I'm going with it? So if you try to appeal to everyone, you're not going to appeal to anyone. So let's go to another example about creating something for busy moms. Are you making products that speak to them? Are you making content that speaks to them? If you're making a planner for busy moms, are you showing them how your planner could benefit them? Are you showing them how it saves them time and keeps them organized? Or are you just saying, hey, I made a planner, go check it out? It's a big difference when you speak to the people that you're intended or when you're just speaking to people. So when you speak to the right people, your selling gets easier. So let's keep it real. Like, digital products takes a little bit of time. It's not going to be an overnight sensation. Most people quit before they give themselves real time. Just because you posted a few times and nobody engaged doesn't mean that your product is not going to sell. Think about it. If you open a new store, would you sell it down just because nobody came and bought anything yet in a week? No, you would keep promoting it until the right person came in and the right customers found you. The same thing applies here. Be consistent, stay visible, keep improving your strategy. So let's do a quick recap. Promote your product daily, maybe sometimes twice or 3 times a day. Post with intention. Focus on your ideal customer. And most importantly, guys, don't give up. So if you found this video helpful, I encourage you to please like and please subscribe and please comment. I experienced that at the beginning. And sometimes I still do experience it, but you know what? Keep going. Keep going. You will find your tribe. Your tribe will find you. So why don't you send me some comments and tell me what you think about this and what strategies you can come up with. I hope this video helped you. And again, don't give up, guys. I know you can do this. So until the next video, bye.